Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about a truly unique luxury residential development in Bangalore that beautifully combines modern urban living with the calmness of nature. Sattva Aranya by Sattva Group located on Mysore Road. So if you are looking for a home that offers excellent connectivity without compromising on peace, greenery and quality of life, then this project is definitely worth your attention. In this video, we will cover the project overview, location advantages, amenities, lifestyle, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Sattvaranya is much more than a residential development, it's a lifestyle concept built around the idea of living closer to nature. In fact, the word Aranya means forest, and the project stays true to its name by creating a green sanctuary within Bangalore's urban landscape. Developed by Sattva Group, the project features approximately 480 exclusive residences in spacious 3 and 4 BHK configuration. And what makes it particularly unique is its setting amidst nearly 600 acres of Bangalore University greenery, creating a peaceful, low-noise environment that feels far removed from the city's hustle despite being well connected. The homes have been designed to maximize natural light, cross-ventilation, and openness, making them ideal for families seeking a more refined and comfortable lifestyle. And now talking about the location and connectivity, so one of the strongest highlight of Sattva Aranya is its strategic location on Mysore Road. The project enjoys exceptional connectivity while still offering the serenity of the nature-focused environment. Janana Bharati metro station is located just about a minute away, making daily commuting extremely convenient for residents. The Mysore Road Expressway can be reached in 2 minutes, while Global Village Tech Park is around 8 minutes away. RR Nagar is roughly 10 minutes away from the project. This rare combination of metro connectivity and expansive green surrounding makes Sattva Aranya stand out from many conventional residential developments in Bangalore. When it comes to the lifestyle, so Sattva Aranya focuses on creating meaningful experience rather than simply offering a long list of amenities. Residents will have access to a stunning 35-meter infinity swimming pool with a sunset view, Olympic-style sport facilities including tennis and squash court, outdoor fitness zone, landscape community lawns, and amphitheater. Now talking about the residences and layout. So the residences at Sattva Aranya are designed for those who appreciate space and functionality. The 3 BHK homes offer carpet areas ranging from approximately 1,324 to 1,560 square feet with a limited time all-inclusive pricing starting from around 3.29 crore rupees onwards. And for buyers seeking larger family homes, the project also offers spacious 4 BHK plus staff residences with a carpet areas of approximately 1,864 square feet and all-inclusive pricing starting from around 4.53 crore rupees onwards. By the way, these are not compact luxury apartments, they are genuinely spacious home designed to deliver comfort, privacy, and a premium living experience. The project appeals equally to end users and investors. For home buyers who value open space, greenery, connectivity, and a more elevated lifestyle, Sattva Aranya presents a compelling opportunity in Bangalore's residential market. For brochure, pricing detail, payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.